The DNA Learning Center is an operating unit of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, a world-renowned center for research in genetics and molecular biology. Our programs include field trips, in-school instruction, week-long summer science camps, and student research. Over 30,000 students a year are invited into our classrooms to ask questions and solve problems using the tools that scientists use.
We try to identify technologies that can let students do their own experiments, and then we train their teachers to help them.
Even the simplest of experiments provide students the opportunity to solidify content that most likely they've only read in a book. It can be life-changing.
This is the most excellent experience I've had. I've been teaching for 23 years.
They can see the possibilities. They can see themselves as scientists. We're right here. We hear about everything, and we can take what we learn and turn it into something amazing for students. As part of Innovate Bio, the new National Center for Biotechnology Education, we're working with community colleges to meet the need for biotechnicians.
Doing biology today just doesn't mean looking at cells in a microscope. It also means looking at cells on a spreadsheet, working with data, bioinformatics, data science, genomics. All of those advances are things that we bring to our students in our unique blend of education.
We live in the genome age. You need to understand a little bit about genetics and molecular biology to make sense of all this data that's about you.
The DNA Learning Center has developed a successful formula of student enrichment, curriculum development, and teacher training that has been replicated around the world. In 2008, we followed our own playbook to establish Harlem DNA Lab in Upper Manhattan. The Harlem site was an immediate success, with 2/3 of student experimenters being minorities underrepresented in science.
We don't do any of this at our school.
Not at all.
Not at all. So, and because the DNA Lab is, short 2 bus stops away, it was very accessible.
Now, through a collaboration with the City University of New York, we are realizing our dream to become a permanent feature of this great city. In 2021, DNA Learning Center New York City will open at the CUNY City Tech campus. With 6 teaching labs and 2 bioinformatics labs, the new facility will be twice the size of the Cold Spring Harbor Center. The location in downtown Brooklyn is convenient to public transport and will serve a diverse international population of students. What better place to study genetics and DNA diversity than in the nation's historic melting pot?
Another way that we prepare students for the diverse career opportunities of tomorrow is by also preparing the most diverse students. And that's one fantastic opportunity we're looking forward to in Brooklyn.
Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory was founded in 1890 by the Brooklyn Institute of Arts and Sciences, which grew to include the Brooklyn Museum, Brooklyn Children's Museum, Brooklyn Botanic Garden, and the Brooklyn Academy of Music. So in joining these institutions along the axis of Flatbush Avenue, the DNA Learning Center will be coming home to Brooklyn.